Rainy day. What should I eat today? Hi everyone, welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. Today, we're gonna be making instant noodles, extra spicy. What's gonna be special about this? Watch on and you'll know. To be honest, I don't even know what I'm making today, but I'm just gonna go with it. Of course, to start, best beer. For today's episode, I just got everything out of my fridge that I thought could go well. So here we got 2 eggs, pickled radish, onions, Japanese fish cake, mature cheddar, 2 packets of Maggi pedas gila, beef stew. First, we're gonna get some water boiling. Noodles. Let's add some oil. Fire up. Yeah. Now we're gonna put our onions in. Yeah, give that a stir. Now our onions are softening. We're gonna open our fish cake. I need some help. Now that our fish cakes are in, we're gonna add some water. And remember kids, ABC, always be cleaning. Whoosh. Now as soon as our water gets to a boil and our fish cakes start to soften up a bit, I'm gonna flip them. I'm gonna put half of this in. Or maybe I'll just do a quarter today. Just a quarter. Dissolve that cube right now. I'm going to cover it, let our fish cakes heat up. While my gravy is behind me, still heating up, I'm gonna start on the eggs. Pan, some oil. Ooh. Now your eggs are over easy. I like my eggs slightly on the raw side. I like when that yolk is really runny, and these are possible because I'm using Japanese eggs that you can eat raw. And now while everything is still steaming, just add whatever cheese you like. I have here some mozzarella. My cheddar wasn't doing so good. And lift off! Whoa. Oh yes. While it's piping hot, we're gonna spoon this or pour this over everything. And our last step, we add the pickle. I make it whole so that I can bite on it. Now that it's all mixed up in a gooey mess, I'm gonna take our first bite. Wow. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm really enjoying myself. Stay tuned to the video next week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!